Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss an interesting problem, yet a simple problem, which is asked in interviews in Samsung and Ola, which states that you have to count the number of leaves in a binary tree. So let's assume that you have a binary tree and you have to count out how many leaves it has. Leaves are the nodes which have both of its children equal to null. This is a leaf, this is a leaf, this is a leaf. So you just have to you can do both of the iterative method also and the recursive method. I will talk about both of them, but I will show the code for the recursive only. For iterative, what you can do here is you can do a breadth first traversal. And whenever you see that there are nodes which both of the children are not there, then you can print out to be the children. But for recursive, it's very simple. What you can do, you can start from the top node. What you can do here is, if for every node you will check that whether both of its children are not there, then you will state that yes, this is a node or this is a leaf actually. If you found a leaf now, how you can transfer this information above? So for, as you can see, it can happen that a node has only one right child or left child or no child, let's assume. So for, if it's no child, then it's a leaf. If it's one child also, then you have to go further down. So what you can see here is, for every node you will check that whether its left child exists. If it exists, you will again count leaves on it, and if its right child exists, you will again count its leaf nodes in the right child, and you will recursively call this function such that you can either hit a node which has both of its children equal to null. And that's how the logic is. Let's move on to the code to make it more clear. If the root is equal to null, you return 0. So you have to return int, which is the number of leaf nodes. Root is equal to null means that there is no node actually in this whole tree. Then the answer is 0 because there is no node, so there is no leaves. Okay. Now what you will do, you can check that whether the root or this root node which you have given is actually a leaf or not. So if this root left child is null and right child is also null, then return 1. 1 means that there is one leaf. Now if this head node is not a leaf, then there will be some left child and right child. So what you can do, because you know that it is not sure that both of the left and the right child exist, so what you can do, you can count out. So you can make a variable leaf, then you can check that whether its left child exists. If it exists, then add the number of leaves of its left child and call this same function with its root left. Same you can do it for the right child. And then if you call this function recursively, you can only add the children which has been present and which has some leaves. And then after calling, you will store the total number of leaves in both of the children in this leaf value, and you will return this leaf. I hope you understand the logic as well as the code. If you still have any doubts, please mention down. And for the iterative part, what you can do, I have told you, you can write a BFS function in which you can iterate over every level and check that whether a node is a leaf or not. I hope you understand the logic as well as the code. If you still have any doubts, please mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.